Happy with Science. Grade 7 English Medium 12th lesson, 5th part. Digestive system of man. The food we eat are normally big pieces and complex. Therefore, that cannot be absorbed to the body. The breaking down of food into simple substances is called digestion. Then it can be absorbed easily. We break down food into small particles inside the mouth. Then it makes easier to digest food by digestive juice. When passed along digestive tract, then those small food pieces are digested to simple pieces by digestive juices secreted from different parts of the digestive system. Finally, they are absorbed to the body. We will simplify that process as follows. This is the food particles. Here, this is the food particles. From the mechanical digestion doing by teeth, it's converted into small food particles. Next, from the chemical digestion doing by digestive juices, it converts into simple food particles. Next, it happened the absorption. It is not easy to digest all food we take in a single organ. Therefore, the digestion takes place step by step in several organs. Two main functions of the human digestive system are mentioned below. Conversion of complex food into simple substances and absorption of simple food to the body. The parts of the digestive system of a man. Mouth cavity, salivary gland, pharynx, esophagus, liver, gallbladder, stomach, pancreas, large intestine, appendix, rectum, anus, and small intestine. Let's find out them in a diagram. This is we call this mouth cavity. This is pharynx, liver, gallbladder, small intestine, appendix, rectum, anus, large intestine, pancreas, stomach, esophagus, and salivary glands. Next, let's find their functions from a table. Organ. Mouth cavity function is breakdown of food into small pieces by teeth is called mechanical digestion. Secretion of saliva by salivary glands to aid digestion of food. Next one is beginning of chemical digestion of food by saliva. Mix food with saliva by tongue is called chemical digestion. Next one, pharynx. It is the common cavity of the digestive tract and the pharynx. Push the food in the mouth cavity into esophagus. Push the food in mouth cavity to the stomach. Next organ is stomach. Let's see what are the functions. It is a muscular sac. Digestion is efficient due to acidic nature of digestive juices. Food is stored in the stomach for about 3 hours. Food is digested further by mixing of digestive juices in the stomach. The small intestine, it is about 6 meters long for the tube. Different types of food digest with digestive juices. Digestion is completed and absorbed digestive food to the body. There are finger-like protections called villi in the small intestine to increase the surface for efficient digestion. The small intestine, it is shorter than the small intestine, but considerably broad. And the large intestine is doing another function for us. It is the absorption of water. Anus, it is the terminal end in the digestive system. Semi-solid phases is released through anus. Next, human respiratory system. Why do animals breathe? You can find out the answer by studying following flowchart. Simple food that we taken by mouth cavity plus oxygen that we take by inhaling convert into energy. We used energy for biological activities. Energy plus carbon dioxide and water vapor that we are exhaling from our nasal cavity. It shows that as a result of respiration, the energy is generated and the energy is used for biological activities in the body. The process where energy is produced by reacting or burning of food, simple foods with oxygen is called respiration. The intake of air needed for respiration is called inspiration. If not, inhalation or breathing in. During respiration, carbon dioxide and water vapor are formed and elimination of these byproducts is called expiration. Exhalation or breathing out. Accordingly, the air exchanging systems in the body is called the respiratory system. Here, this is the diagram that shows the main part of the human respiratory system. This is our nasal cavity, this is larynx, and this is trachea. This is right lung. These are called as ribs. This is left branches. They are called bronchial. This is diaphragm. The following flowchart explains the activities of human respiratory system. Intake of inhaled air into the nasal cavity. Next, air gets warmed and filtered while passing along the nasal cavity at wetness. Next one, air moves from pharynx to trachea through larynx. Next one, air passes through the right and left branches. Next, air reaches the lungs and exchange of air. Oxygen in air is absorbed to the blood, then carbon dioxide in blood is moved to lungs. Then exhaled air passes back through the same path and released out through the nasal cavity. Next, we see something for our extra knowledge. The food bowels that comes to the pharynx passes to the esophagus without going into the trachea as the door of the trachea is closed. This is tongue. Those are food bowls, epiglottis, esophagus, and trachea. This picture is showing the action of epiglottis. Next, we have reached the end of the lesson called biological processes. Next, we had to do the exercise. First one, the structure and functional unit of living being is called cell. The tissue responsible to transport water and minerals through the plant body is xylem tissue. The organ that does not belong to the digestive system is trachea. The organ common to the respiratory system and the food digestive system is pharynx. Collection of pancreatic juice and which of the following processes does not occur in the small intestine is food is broken down to small pieces. This is done in the stomach. Next, let's see what are the reasons for we reject those answers. The structural and functional unit of living being is called. Earlier, I told you cell is the structural and functional unit of living being is called. The tissue is also made up of cells. If it is, the tissue can't be the structural and functional unit of living being. An organ. Organ is also made up of tissues. Tissue is made up of cells. Organ is made of tissues. So, the organ can't be the structural and functional unit of living being. System is made up of organs, so many organs, because system can't be the structure and functional unit of living being. Next, the tissue responsible to transport water and minerals through the plant body is silent tissue transport the minerals and water. If it is, those answers can't be the answers for this question. The organ that does not belong to the digestive system. Liver is belong to digestive system because it can't be the answer for this question. Large intestine is also in the digestive system. It can't be the answer. Anus is the end of the digestive system. It means it belongs to the digestive system. It can't be the answer for this third question. Next, the organ common to the respiratory system and the food digestive system is answer is spines. Esophagus is not common to the respiratory system. It is only to the digestive system. Bronchioles are respiratory systems only, not for the digestive system. Larynx, it is only for the respiratory system because it can't be the answer. Which of the following process does not occur in the small intestine? Collection of pancreatic juice and bile is happening in the small intestine. So it can't be the answer. Completion of digestion. It is also happening in the small intestine. Absorption of digested food. It is also happening in small intestine. So the answer should be food is broken down to small pieces. Okay, next one. Complete the following table. Let's see what is the table that we have to complete. Yes. The stomach is the first one. I wrote answers. Food digested by mixing food with digestive juice. It is the answer for first column. Next column, food digested with digestive juices complete the digestion and absorb to the body. Next, large intestine, absorption of water. Next, nasal cavity, intake air into the body. Larynx, push the air from trachea to right and left.